The battlefield is evolving faster than ever. From AI-powered drones to next-generation defense systems, military technology has reached an entirely new level. These cutting-edge inventions are shaping the future of warfare, making armies deadlier, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. In today's video, we're diving into the most mind-blowing military technologies that are pushing the limits of innovation. Whether it's autonomous war machines, futuristic combat gear, or advanced surveillance systems, you won't believe how far military tech has come. Let's dive in. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. The Altmıs 700M is an advanced loitering munition designed to deliver precise, high-impact strikes against armored targets and critical infrastructure. Building upon the Altmıs series, the 700M variant offers enhanced payload capacity and operational versatility. Capable of reaching distances up to 100 miles with a flight time of approximately 75 minutes, allowing for deep penetration into contested areas. Equipped to carry warheads weighing up to 33 pounds, enabling effective engagement of heavily armored vehicles and fortified positions. Designed for deployment from various platforms, including ground vehicles and helicopters. Features advanced autonomy, allowing a single operator to control multiple units simultaneously. The introduction of the Altmıs 700M provides military forces with a powerful tool for engaging high-value targets with precision and adaptability. The Anduril Bolt-M is a loitering munition designed to provide frontline forces with a portable, autonomous, and precision strike capability. It is a man-packable, vertical takeoff and landing drone that can be deployed quickly for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeted strikes. Weighing around 12 pounds, it is backpack portable, making it ideal for special forces, infantry, and mobile units. Bolt-M is equipped with advanced AI-powered vision and tracking systems, enabling it to identify, lock onto, and engage targets without constant human control. It carries a 3-pound warhead, making it effective against light vehicles, personnel, and enemy infrastructure. Can be launched within minutes, requiring minimal setup and no runway or launch system. The Anduril Bolt-M is a game-changer for small units needing immediate and effective firepower on the battlefield. The Leonardo BriteStorm is an advanced, low-size, weight, and power stand-in jammer payload designed for integration onto attritable unmanned aerial vehicles and various launched effects. Its primary function is to deliver high-powered electronic interference to degrade and suppress enemy integrated air defense systems, as well as the ability to generate decoy signals and false targets. Moreover, the system is smart enough to automatically choose the best tactics to counter threats. BriteStorm utilizes advanced DRFM technology to record enemy radar signals accurately, manipulate them, and retransmit deceptive signals. This capability confuses adversary radar systems, creating false targets and significantly degrading their situational awareness. The TRIDENT Target Acquisition Suite by Elbit Systems is an advanced multi-sensor targeting solution designed to enhance battlefield awareness and improve target detection, identification, and engagement capabilities for modern military forces. This system is primarily used on ground vehicles, unmanned platforms, and special operations forces, providing real-time intelligence in complex combat environments. Integrates electro-optical, infrared, laser rangefinder, and radar sensors for all-weather, day or night target acquisition. Uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to automatically detect, classify, and track multiple targets. Works with guided munitions and smart weapons to ensure accurate strikes. A force multiplier for modern military operations, enhancing precision targeting, situational awareness, and combat effectiveness in dynamic and high-threat environments. The AFRL MUTANT is an advanced missile system that features a morphing, articulating nose section, designed to significantly enhance its maneuverability and target engagement capabilities. The missile's front section can pivot mid-flight, allowing for more aggressive turn rates and better trajectory corrections. This enables the missile to hit highly maneuverable enemy aircraft and evade countermeasures. With improved agility, the MUTANT can engage targets at longer ranges while maintaining precision. Its advanced guidance and tracking system allow it to adjust its flight path dynamically, making it harder for enemy aircraft to evade. The missile integrates cutting-edge propulsion and flight control systems, enabling rapid directional changes without sacrificing speed. The AFRL MUTANT represents a major leap forward in missile technology, redefining how air-to-air combat will evolve in the future. The Roadrunner-M variant serves as a high-explosive interceptor capable of rapidly identifying, intercepting, and neutralizing aerial threats, including unmanned aerial systems, cruise missiles, and manned aircraft. Roadrunner-M can take off and land vertically from a dedicated container, allowing for flexible deployment without the need for traditional runways. Powered by twin turbojets, Roadrunner-M is capable of reaching high subsonic speeds, enabling it to quickly respond to and intercept fast-moving targets. The platform can accommodate various payloads, including high-explosive warheads for interception missions. Equipped with advanced autonomous capabilities, Roadrunner-M can identify, track, and engage targets with minimal human intervention. If an interception is not required, Roadrunner-M can return to base and land vertically, allowing for immediate refueling and reuse. This recoverable feature offers a cost-effective solution compared to traditional one-time use interceptors. The Sekiz Altmıs MS-23 backpack model is a portable electronic warfare system designed to counter unmanned aerial vehicles and other communication-based threats. This backpack-mounted jammer offers high RF output power and extensive coverage, making it suitable for field operations requiring mobility and efficiency. Supports 2 selectable bands, allowing for targeted jamming based on mission requirements. Equipped with removable omnidirectional antennas, providing flexibility and adaptability to various operational scenarios. Delivers up to 100 watts of RF output power, enabling effective jamming over considerable distances. Can be installed via a tripod for stationary operations or used on the move, enhancing operational versatility. The MS-23 backpack model's combination of high power output, portability, and adaptable features makes it a valuable asset for military and security forces. The Mustang Survival Ratis is an advanced, inflatable, life preserver unit engineered specifically for maritime special operations forces. The Ratis stands out as the smallest self-riding inflatable available for maritime special operations, weighing just 1 pound and providing 40 pounds of buoyancy. The Ratis is designed to be nearly invisible when worn, allowing for a full range of motion and unobstructed field of vision without interfering with equipment. The Ratis combination of minimal weight, compact design, and versatile inflation options makes it a critical piece of equipment for operators requiring reliable flotation without compromising mobility or performance. Its innovative features address the unique challenges faced by maritime special operations forces, providing enhanced safety and operational efficiency. The Zodiac Mil Pro Helidrop FC-470 is a specialized military-grade inflatable boat designed for rapid deployment via aerial insertion, particularly for special operations forces, coast guards, and naval units. The helidrop system allows the boat to be dropped from helicopters at high altitudes into the water without damage, making it ideal for rapid response and covert operations. It features reinforced structural components to withstand aerial deployment and impact upon water entry. The boat is easily collapsible and fits into a compact package for transport in helicopters, aircraft, or vehicles. It can be quickly inflated and deployed in less than a minute using an automatic inflation system. Used for special forces insertions, search and rescue, disaster response, and law enforcement. Equipped to transport troops, gear, or equipment in challenging conditions, including high waves and rough waters. Anduril Industries has developed the Fury, a high-performance, multi-mission Group 5 autonomous air vehicle designed to deliver trusted and collaborative autonomy for advanced combat scenarios. The Fury is engineered to operate independently or alongside manned aircraft, enhancing mission flexibility and reducing risk to human pilots. Its design supports a variety of missions, including intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike operations, adapting to dynamic battlefield requirements. The Fury is intended to function seamlessly with crewed fighters like the F-22 and F-35, providing force multiplication and tactical advantages. It can plan and execute missions independently using AI-powered decision-making. Fury combines autonomy, mission adaptability, speed, and cost-effectiveness, making it one of the most advanced and capable unmanned aircraft in the world. And that wraps up our look at some of the most incredible military technologies that are pushing the limits of innovation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Which of these technologies impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest cutting-edge inventions, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.